Speaking at the International Day of Family Remittances event in Nairobi, Dr. Shem Ochuodo, the global chairman of Kenya Diaspora Alliance, emphasized the importance of fostering enabling environments for diaspora investments and engagement in developmental projects.
Increasing the tax, the digital tax, may be a disincentive. So our appeal is that hopefully government will consider, if not reducing, maintaining it.
With an estimated 4 million Kenyans living abroad, the diaspora represents a valuable resource for Kenya's economic development. CBK Deputy Governor Dr. Susan Koech noted the substantial growth in remittance inflows to Kenya.
Current remittances to low and middle income countries reached $669 billion in 2023, surpassing foreign direct investments and official development assistance flows.
Many Kenyans continue pleading with the government to consider the proposed tax measures, especially the move to increase excise duty on mobile money by 5%.
Tax ni sawa, sababu huwezi wanya bila budget. Hata kwa nyumba huwezi itisha chakula na hukuacha kitu asubuhi. Lakini watu wanafaa kuwa na kuelezewa hasani inaendaje, iende pole pole, tutakuja tu tutakubariki. Maoni yangu ni hii pesa imekuwa tumefinywa sana sisi wananchi. Tungetaka serikali iwache kufinya raia wale wadogo, ikidhani inasaidia wadogo inasaidia wakubwa.
I think it will affect small businesses and especially the youths who are trying to make ends meet for their families, and especially people who really depend on M-Pesa. I think it will really affect them negatively.
David Beno from the International Fund for Agricultural Development echoed these sentiments, emphasizing the need for inclusive policy frameworks involving both governmental and non-governmental actors to support effective diaspora initiative.
The market player to understand more what are the unmet needs and what are the gaps to to keep supporting families to send money back home seamless, reduce cost, and also to tap into additional financial needs that might be supporting the family at home.
Challenges remain, particularly regarding the cost associated with remittances corridors. Ambassador Isaiah Kabira from the State Department for Diaspora Affairs highlighted the persistently high cost in certain corridors, posing a conundrum for both senders and recipients.
For us as people who represent Kenyans in the diaspora, we would like to see this process hastened because this has become our biggest source of foreign exchange. And any new incentives that we can create to see Kenyans remit more money to our country, it's good.
With stakeholders voicing their concerns, it remains to be seen how the government will respond to calls for a balanced and sustainable approach to taxation that takes into account the need to raise revenue vis-a-vis the need for both business and citizens alike.
As the government tries to collect more revenue through broadening the tax bracket, many Kenyans are now calling on the government to see that they are getting a reprieve or even getting services that they are paying for. This comes as even the diaspora are calling on the government to see that the taxes imposed on the money that is being brought into the country are being taxed fairly. Sophia Ali for KTN News.